Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Encore in Boston Harbor. So coming through the main front door, we've got the bathroom on the right, which I'll show you in a moment, followed by the wardrobe. Huge big mirror on the left-hand side here. This is a standard king room. It's the harbour view, downtown view. Encore apparently boasts the largest standard room size in, I think, Boston or maybe even Massachusetts. 650 square feet, and it is a lovely room, I'm sure you'll agree. So here we go. So coming in straight away, we got a nice sofa couch there, lovely artwork, lamps. We come first down to this desk. Okay, so there's the desk area, nice comfortable chair, power outlets, USB, HDMI, potted plants, nice mirror there, and swinging. If I just step back, there's a nice another large table. These are decent sized tables actually. A couple of chairs, aircon to the side, large TV. Coming back around, we've got mini bar and then storage drawers. And up top is an espresso machine. Pods provided. I believe these are all free, so help yourself. There's also a Dunkin' Donuts downstairs, which does pretty decent coffee. Bottled water. These have been replenished daily. This is our second day, and they are replenished. They are complimentary. There's some more artwork, and your bedside table. There's two either side. You can see, well, if you can't see it, I'll say it in a minute because I don't want to activate it. On that side is your iPad. Your iPad controls everything in the room, down to the aircon, the TV. It's all on there. You can adjust everything. Room service, really high tech. Really enjoy. Really good to use that. Really comfy double bed. You can see it's huge. Need to keep stepping back. And yeah, in the corner is a unit. Alexa, turn the lights off.
Okay.
There we go. Alexa, turn the TV on.
Okay.
There we go. So yeah, all very high tech. Got your mini bar, top snacks there.
And experience everything Encore.
Alexa, turn the TV off.
Okay.
I forgot there's going to be sound on that. Right, and yeah, your iPad here. You can control everything you want. You've got your curtains, so you close your shears. Although let's keep those open for now. So you can see the view. So we are on the 24th floor. There are 26 floors, I believe. So this floor you start getting the suites as well. I hope you can see through with the reflection because it's absolutely beautiful day. It's cold and windy, but it is a very bright day, so it's a bit hard to see. But a little random with where we are. So we've got, I think this is technically Everett, and you sort of get into Boston almost immediately in front of the hotel. We've got like some electrical grid and water treatment area here. So I think this is an old industrial estate that is built on. You've got downtown there. And then swinging round, let me just get past my own reflection. And then that way, because I've got Fenway Park, Harvard Uni, and yeah, that's the. But yeah, got Encore down here. You know, we're Vegas regulars, and there's a very Vegas-esque vibe to the whole property. I mean, it's basically Encore from Vegas, picked up, shrunk, and then plonked down in Boston. So if you know Vegas, you will know exactly what I mean. But yeah, this is so 24. And it's room 14, so it's basically as soon as you come out the lift. So we're slap bang in the middle of the hotel. So you can just see Encore sign up there. And then the other side of the hotel, poking out there. Yeah, there we go. Really fantastic room. Absolutely love this place. First time we've ever stayed in a Wynn Encore property, and we've been thoroughly impressed with it. So going through to the bathroom, and just before For the bathroom, we have our wardrobe here, closet. Some extra sheets and pillows up top, plenty of hanger space. Ironing board, they provide you an umbrella for the weather. And your safe there, not the biggest safe, but enough just to put your valuables in. Okay, and back round to the bathroom now at the by the main door. There is a lovely big shower. Everything is so pristine in here. It's so very clean. Those are the products, Win branded products, and your soaking tub, which looks very deep. And your dual vanity. A nice big mirror. Sustainability minded. Some extras. That's a nice touch. And the other sink, look how shiny that is, amazing. A chair for anyone that wants to sit and do their makeup, or just sit and get ready. There's a TV in here there, and then you just got the toilet in there. Nice couple of bathrobes. And there we go. Hope you've enjoyed the review. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you have any comments, questions down below. If you stayed here, did you enjoy your experience? But yeah, until next time, we'll see you then. Take care for now.